Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back in my Erin Condren planner. I am going to use a combination of a couple things to plan with. So, I get these name labels all the time and they come with extra stickers, so I saved them. I also liked the little residual strips, so I thought, I might be able to use those. And though they don't match perfectly, I did like this flower that kind of goes with the sunflowers. I thought I would kind of intermix the two of them. And this is a Plan and Go sticker sheet, and I'm trying to figure out what it is for. I can't remember. She always has these designated, but I like them for this planner. So I'm going to go ahead and use those. So let's get started and see how it works out. Okay, so I really love that she has these here, and I do cover it. I know, every time. But I do it, and then I also have the other stickers as well. So hold on one second. Oi, oi, oi. And I usually come all the way to the edge, or as much as I can, because there's a curve there, but let me get serious here. Okay, there we go. I've forgotten what she, this is National Day of Peace. I'm covering up the National, but I know it says National. So I've forgotten why she has these this way. It's created for a specific type of planner, but I just thought that those would work nicely in this planner, and yeah. So if you haven't gone over to see her shop, I would highly recommend it. She has a lot of functional type stickers as well that I really like. So yeah, hold on one second. There we go. So I did not pull anything for this planner because this is my YouTube, Instagram, all that kind of good stuff planner. And I have been behind because I have not been feeling well, as I have said in a previous video, so I'm not going to take y'all back through that. But haven't utilized hardly any of my planners in the last week or more because, yeah, when you're sick and you're not doing it, yeah, that's it. You know what? Where is my whiteout? Oh, goodness. Did my husband, oh, he did not take it. There is one right there. Yay. He's so funny. He borrows some of these, and he is so funny about it. So let me see here. So I'm going to take the Monday off, and I should have done this before, but I am going to take the date off and the Wednesday. So anyways, he's so funny. He'll come in and he'll go, do you have any of that like correction fluid? And I'm like, you mean this? And he goes, yeah, that'll work. So, and I stock his office, but I think he likes mine better. It's just like the kids, you know. So anyways, so I'm just going to lay these down. And this, of course, is the horizontal planner, which I really like. I mean, I now kind of wished I would have gotten a vertical, but, you know, I mean, I know for next year. You know, I just know better for next year. Okay, this is my failure in life. I never know which way it goes, and I wasn't paying attention a minute ago. So, just bear with me as I figure this out. Total Sue. Okay. Clearly the bumps go where my thumb goes, so that's why. Okay, now I know. Hopefully I will remember that. Probably not, but, you know, we're going to pretend that I'm going to try, right? Okay, I'm not used to using this in planners yet. And she also sent me a cute little cloud one, and that one's up in there, and I didn't pull that out either. So when I placed my order, she sent me lots of extra goodies. She was so kind. And I really appreciated all of her work. She did a phenomenal packing job. I have never seen anybody pack out an order that beautifully. I mean, it was perfectly packed. So, so go by and take a look at her goodies and tell her I sent you. She is very, very talented for sure. Now, my order was big, so it took a long time. But I understand that. I really do. So, alright. So we are almost done with this part. Sorry to be so slow today. But that is explained in other videos. I'm not going to go back over that. And I love this, the notes, so I'm going to put that down here. Okay, and then I thought I would come back with these little cute stickers. And yeah, I was trying to think of something I might save the sunflower wreath for. My oldest daughter, when her husband asked her to marry him, she was wearing I think it was a Calvin Klein sunflower dress. I can't remember. She got it at, it was, funnily enough, she went and found one at Macy's, but it was very expensive, even though it was on sale there. And so she went to Ross and found it, and she bought it. I mean, it was really amazing, and has received endless, compliments on it. And anyways, it just cracks me up. So I thought I would save that for my pictures in the wedding album. I thought that would be kind of a fun thing to put in there. But anyways, we still haven't gotten our pictures. They still haven't even gotten their pictures done yet. So from the weddings, so as soon as we get those, then I will print those out, and I will take you along with me as I construct the album. I won't probably share the pictures because they're private, and I promise everybody all the privacy. And so anyways, but I will gladly share with you how I do the back, the layout, except for the pictures. So, all right, I hope that makes sense. And I know, I'm just kind of rambling today, sorry. I love that washi. I don't know where I'm going to put that, but we shall see, we shall see. So I am going to come back, and I am going to put these on the top. Okay, and I know they don't look like super perfect, but I think that they are cute, and I think that they add something. So, hold on, and I think I want them to stay under that. Okay, my phone is going off. I'm sorry, guys. I have it turned off, but the buzzer's on. Let me see who's calling. Okay, it's a friend. I can call her back. She will leave me a message. She's a good friend. There we go. Alrighty. There's that. And here's this. And yes, we are almost through. And this really is very much a white space planner. I enjoy the white space in this planner because I've been a white space planner all these years, and I do like to write. So, alrighty. So there's that. And one last one. I don't know why I keep turning it back and forth, but Alright, let's see this side, and then we are almost done, my sweet friends. So I hope you guys are getting cooler weather than we are getting. This has been a brutal end of summer, first of all. Now, we had a delayed summer, and my husband has said many times, hey, we had it easy, and we did. We had a delayed heat of summer. So, yeah, sometimes you get that summer heat. Alright, there's the last one of those, and I'm short one. I don't know why why she thought 6 was good, but that's okay. And because that's Sunday, don't mind it. And I am going to put this here for next week. So, I am getting down to the nitty-gritty of getting all these things planned and figured out, and I know it's really getting very busy. It will, hopefully by tomorrow. And I'm going to put these down here for the different things that I will list for next week. I have worked ahead to get videos for you guys, so I am super happy about that, and I think that you will enjoy them. I'm going to do a crafting on the cheap series that I've promised. So yeah, okay, so I am going to put this down here for each of the places that I post, and I'm going to start checking off to make sure I have something up every single day. Does that make sense? I hope it does, because I tried to. I did miss Sundays, first time in a long time, but I just wasn't feeling well, so I hope you guys are okay with that. And I can use these are the checkoffs, so let's put those down and then I will let you go. So I don't really work on Sundays, but I don't consider it, I don't consider this work. I consider this fun. I consider this sitting down with some sweet friends, and that's what I've always considered this. So, yeah, hold on one second. Here we go. Honey, I've got a little thing in here for you before you get started. Yeah, can you come here for a sec? So, I just wrote it out. So, okay, and then this I'm putting on here will be finished, but I do consider this not work. I consider this fun. So, here we go. Almost finished, and I will let you guys go. Alrighty. And what I don't use, I'll either use on the trip, like I might use that on the trip, and then the rest of this in that album. So, we do not waste anything. We use the whole buffalo. Try to. I mean, I'm sure you guys watch and think, no, that was wasteful. Try not to do that, but, you know. Alright, now I am looking at a calendar for next year to paint and play in. So I, for my mixed media friends here on this channel, we are going to be coming back with a really fun album next year. So, I mean, planner next year. Because I know many of you go, hey, this isn't my thing, and I totally get that. You know what? I am going to save these. I have a little thing up there, and I'm going to just save these because I'm happy with where we're at here on this. So maybe I'll put those in for the trip. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this. Again, this is from Plan and Go. It's an Etsy shop, and this is my Erin Condren, kind of my Instagram and YouTube calendar. So this is, whoops, there we go. Now we're in the middle. Woohoo! All right, friends, I adjusted the camera between videos. So, all right, I hope you liked this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps grow our channel when you guys give good, good feedback is always a blessing, and I thank you. But giving feedback really helps me know what to do in the future. So please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. If you would like to leave a comment, please do that. I would love to hear all about your planner, what you're doing with your planner, and if you have this Erin Condren planner, what are you using? Also, if any of you have purchased from Plan and Go before, I'd love to know that too. And then lastly, if this would encourage somebody else, please feel free to share this video. I know that so many friends feel like you have to have a no white space calendar or planner for it to be, for it to be pretty, air quotes. No, you do not have to have that. You can do it just like this. And I think this looks very neat and orderly, and when it comes to my YouTube and Instagram, that tends to not be as neat and orderly because it's craft and art related, and I am a messy crafter, artist person. I don't want to say artist, but crafter. So I have mess all around me. Having this neat helps me get it in my mind in order. So, and everything else I like to have it in order, but in this part of my life, the creativity part of me likes kind of a little bit that disorder. Not a lot, but a little bit. So I fight that a lot. So this works for me. All right, friends, I'm going to let you go. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.